Hey everybody, this is Justin, JT's Retirement Village Living, my new channel. As you can see, that's a metal roof. As you can see, it's raining. Hope y'all can hear this. There's nothing better than rain on a metal roof. Little thunder in the background. This storm's getting bigger. This is a view. This is all property that is owned by Whitney Resorts out in front of us. The main gate is right straight over there. Highway 933 is right over there. Cedar trees and prairie land. This is our other living quarters back here. Just spray foamed insulation, and we've moved a bunch of junk in right now, but nobody lives next door. They're still trying to sell this one. See back over there, they've got a new one under construction, and they've got one slab poured right behind us. They're going to be building a new one. See it right back there. Our big old fifth wheel. About time to enjoy a cold beer. Anyway, this is Justin, JT's Retirement Village Living. Gonna holler at y'all later. Looks like the rain's about to quit. Bye.